Hi, welcome to my video. I've had the good fortune of living in 19 different homes, 14 different cities, and 9 different states since graduating from college. Most of these were promotions with relocations across the country or upgrades to homes within the same area. Now, I'm not touting myself as a relocation expert. Rather, I'm simply saying I've got a lot of experience in moving. So here's some tips, tricks, and hacks that I've learned over many moves. This first video is all about preparing, packing, and loading. I have another video that deals with the unloading and unpacking, and then yet another video on the road trip as a part of the move. I hope this helps you choreograph a smoother, more organized move, whether you're moving across town or across country. Ready? Let's go. Moving. It's one of the 3 major elements of relocating to a new home, whether across town or across the country. There's selling your home, moving, and buying your home. If you're a renter, the same 3 elements exist, but without the sale and purchase. You still have to let go of one home, move, and find another home. And for most of us, these are huge events in our lives, and moving can seem so daunting. So, what's your primary goal in moving? Is it to have everything go as smoothly as possible? Is it to have all of your belongings put away in your new home in the shortest amount of time, exactly where you want them to be? Is it to be able to get out and discover your new surroundings and your new destination as soon as possible? Or is it all of the above? My goal is to move into my new home, be completely unpacked in 3 days so that I can begin acclimating myself to my new surroundings. First, have a plan. Use notes on your phone, create an Excel spreadsheet, or use a writing pad. Just have a plan. The plan's essentially to-dos with due dates. If you have a spouse, partner, friend, or relative moving with you, create the plan with them. Why? First, 2 heads are always better than 1, and second, it affords a great opportunity to assign roles. Your to-do list should include those things you'll want to take care of before moving day. Here's some examples. Arrange for the utilities to be cut off the day after moving day, not on moving day, otherwise you could be packing and loading without lights and AC. I've been there. Complete your change of address forms. This can be done online. Close or transfer local accounts like your gym memberships, your dance lessons, your account with a butcher or your nail salon. Pack valuables. This could be collections of items that you want to personally handle for the move, like plants, fragile pieces, collections, guns. These boxes are usually coming with me on the drive. Pack your suitcases for the trip. Take into consideration how long everything you own is going to be on the moving truck or in storage. And don't forget to pack something for the pets. Pack a toolbox or a move-in box. If you can't take it with you, then make sure it's the last box loaded and the first off the truck. Include things like basic tools, work gloves, duct tape, masking tape, a measuring tape, box cutters to open up all those boxes, and keys to the safe or the filing cabinet. As simple as it sounds, it's important to put all of those items that you don't want loaded onto the truck, like your luggage, in a dedicated area with a big, huge sign that says "Do not load." Next, clean your home. You can hire cleaners or do it yourself. People ask me, why clean your home before moving day? And I share 2 reasons. First, clean so you're not taking the dirt and dust from this home to your new home. Second, this will help lessen the cleanup after packing and loading. Now, I always combine this step with what I see as one of the most important actions in moving, and that's downsizing your load by throwing away everything you don't want or need to move. These can be items that you've moved to the attic but never seem to use, or those belongings that have outlasted their usefulness. Doing this during the cleaning process can help you lighten your load, physically, mentally, emotionally. Keep in mind that you want to finish this step in time for the last trash pickup before moving day. Next, clean out the refrigerators. Yes, well in advance. The refrigerator should have only the basic essentials for moving day, like packaged or microwavable snacks and meals that don't need pots and pans and bowls and flatware. You also want to have plenty of water on hand for you and the movers for moving day. Okay, moving day. Now, I find it helpful to label every room with large markers and pieces of paper. Label the room above the entranceway so that you know where they are and what they are. LR for living room, FR for family room, MBR for master bedroom, MB for master bath, B1, B2, B3 for your bedrooms. Use whatever labels or codes you want. Kids' initials, numbers, letters, it doesn't matter as long as those labels transfer to your new home. Work with movers to label the boxes properly so they can be delivered to the right places in the new home. And so you can find them when you want to in your new home in the easiest, fastest, and simplest way. This saves moving boxes multiple times and eliminates that frustrating sense of not being able to find what you want quickly in your new space. Now, some companies are managing this process with QR codes on every box, and that's perfectly fine. Just follow the same mentality with the labeling of the rooms. What you're proactively managing is ensuring that the items from the places in your old home get to the right places in your new home. Once the movers are gone, pick up and clean up should be a simple process. Do a walkthrough to make sure nothing of value is left behind. Set aside keys, fobs, garage door openers, appliance manuals, etc., and put them all in a safe and secure place. Kitchen drawers seem to be a popular location. Coordinate with your realtor so that he or she can convey to the buyers. So that's it. Congratulations. You moved out of your old home and on your way to your new destination. Enjoy the move, stay safe, and stay healthy, and good luck. If you like this video and would like more tips, tricks, and hacks on moving and relocating, subscribe below.